back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore the cutting edge of home construction and design. Today, we're focusing on the transformative potential of modern modular homes design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This approach represents a significant evolution in the building industry, offering a compelling blend of efficiency, sustainability, and contemporary aesthetics. This isn't just about pre-built houses. It's about intelligently engineered living spaces that are redefining the way we think about home construction. What is the meaning of modern modular homes design? Modern modular homes design refers to the architectural and engineering process of creating contemporary residences composed of prefabricated sections, or modules, manufactured off-site in controlled factory settings. These modules are then transported to the building site and assembled to form a complete, architecturally sophisticated home. The modern aspect signifies the integration of contemporary design principles, innovative materials, and advanced construction technologies, while modular homes underscores the method of building in distinct, interconnected units. It's about leveraging the precision and efficiency of factory construction to create high-quality, aesthetically pleasing homes with potentially faster build times and greater control over the construction process. What are the benefits of choosing modern modular homes design? Choosing modern modular homes design offers a compelling array of advantages. Firstly, the controlled factory environment ensures superior quality control and precision in every stage of construction, minimizing errors and material waste. Secondly, the off-site manufacturing process significantly reduces on-site construction time, leading to faster occupancy and less disruption to the surrounding environment. Modular construction often allows for more accurate cost estimation and potentially lower overall costs due to streamlined processes and bulk purchasing of materials. The inherent modularity provides exceptional design flexibility, allowing for customization of floor plans and future expansion. Furthermore, modern modular homes can be designed with a strong emphasis on energy efficiency and sustainability, incorporating advanced insulation, renewable energy systems, and eco-friendly materials. Finally, the architectural possibilities of modular design have expanded dramatically, resulting in sleek, contemporary homes that rival traditionally built structures in both aesthetics and functionality. How to design your modern modular homes design? Designing your modern modular home involves a collaborative process with the modular home manufacturer's design team or an independent architect specializing in modular construction. Begin by clearly defining your lifestyle needs, spatial requirements, and budgetary constraints. Explore the various modular construction methods and the design capabilities offered by different manufacturers. Consider the specific characteristics of your building site, including topography and access. Work closely with the design professionals to customize floor plans, select interior and exterior materials, and choose finishes that align with your aesthetic preferences. Prioritize energy efficiency and sustainability by incorporating features like high-performance windows, efficient HVAC systems, and renewable energy options. Review detailed 3D renderings and virtual walkthroughs to ensure the design meets your vision before the manufacturing process begins. How to build modern modular homes designed with luxury facade? Building a modern modular home with a luxury facade requires a focus on high-quality materials, sophisticated architectural detailing, and seamless on-site integration of the prefabricated modules. Collaborate closely with the modular manufacturer to select premium exterior cladding options such as architectural metal panels, high-end wood siding, natural stone veneer, or large-format ceramic tiles. Incorporate striking architectural features like expansive glazed walls, dramatic roof lines, and custom-designed entryways. Pay meticulous attention to the joinery and finishing details where the modules connect. Enhance the curb appeal with professional landscaping, including custom hardscaping and sophisticated outdoor lighting. Consider integrating outdoor living spaces such as spacious decks, balconies, or even rooftop terraces. The key is to choose luxurious materials and design elements that can be effectively integrated into the modular construction process, ensuring a final result that exudes high-end contemporary style. Ten Best Modern Modular Homes Design Ideas. 1. The Glass Box Revelation features expansive glass walls maximizing natural light and views, creating a seamless connection with the outdoors. 2. The Cantilevered Elegance incorporates cantilevered modules to create dramatic architectural interest and extended outdoor living spaces. 3. The Biophilic Integration emphasizes the connection to nature through the use of natural materials, ample natural light, and integrated green spaces like living walls or green roofs. 4. The Sustainable Energy Hub, designed with a strong focus on energy efficiency, incorporating solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and smart home technology. 5. The Minimalist Masterpiece showcases clean lines, a neutral color palette, and a focus on essential forms and functions. 6. The Adaptable Multi-Story Villa demonstrates the ability of modular construction to create large, multi-level homes with sophisticated layouts and high-end finishes. 7. The Urban Infill Innovation, designed to maximize space on small urban lots, often featuring vertical stacking and efficient floor plans. 8. The Prefabricated Smart Home integrates advanced smart home technology for automation, security, and energy management. 9. The Sculptural Modular Residence features unique and artistic module arrangements, creating a visually striking and unconventional home. 10. The Luxury Prefab Estate showcases high-end materials, expansive layouts, and custom architectural details achievable through advanced modular construction techniques. When designing a modern modular home, it is crucial to consider transportation logistics and site accessibility, as the prefabricated modules will need to be delivered and maneuvered into their final positions. A thorough site analysis is essential to ensure the foundation is properly prepared to receive the modules. Understanding the specific capabilities and limitations of your chosen modular home manufacturer is vital for a smooth design and construction process. Pay close attention to the connection points between modules to ensure structural integrity, weatherproofing, and seamless integration of utilities. Consider the long-term maintenance and durability of the chosen materials, especially for the exterior facade. While modular construction can offer significant time savings, meticulous planning and coordination between the manufacturer and on-site contractors are essential for a successful project. At Home Inspiration Studios, we believe that modern modular homes represent a significant step forward in the evolution of residential architecture. By combining the efficiency of factory production with innovative design and sustainable practices, modular construction offers a compelling pathway to high-quality, contemporary living. Modern modular homes design offers a sophisticated and efficient approach to building your dream home, blending contemporary aesthetics with the benefits of controlled manufacturing. At Home Inspiration Studios, we are dedicated to showcasing the forefront of home construction innovation. By embracing the principles of thoughtful design, efficient production, and quality materials, you can create a modern modular home that is both stylish and built for the future. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best contemporary prefab house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.